Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert an image caption to your pictures, photos and images on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. So in the first step, navigate to your text document on LibreOffice Writer, insert an image by using this option here at the top, insert image, and locate it on your device. I will go with this example photo or image here. So guys, right click into it and choose properties here. And from that menu, what you want to do is go through these options here, for example, and you may, for instance, leave a name, for example, or give the image a name and a text alternative, describe it here. And yeah, for example, do that. However, guys, there's also option number 2. Right click into the image again, but this time instead of properties, click into insert caption. And here you will see a more detailed view of the image caption settings. So you may enter the caption here, adjust the properties, like for example, a category, a numbering, the position, and you will see the preview of the caption here. Click into OK to view the caption or to apply it, and you will see it here just below the image, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.